The human body is a complex machine. It needs to be fueled with the right nutrients and proper fuel to function well. If we don't eat balanced food, our metabolism will be affected, resulting in weight gain. Obesity is a major contributor to many chronic illnesses, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, sleep apnea, arthritis, and liver problems. However, from exercising often, cutting down on sugar intake, and eating more vegetables, many ways can act as a metabolism accelerator and lose weight. The article will explore how small lifestyle changes can lead to weight loss. Let's find out how. How to keep weight off permanently. Many people nowadays struggle with their weight and can't seem to find a way to keep it off. The reason is that they never address the root causes of their weight gain and just try and lose it, which leads to yo-yo dieting. If you want to permanently keep your weight at a healthy level, you need to change the way you eat, move, think about food, and live your life. With consistency, the following ways will help you keep those extra pounds off permanently. Exercise. Exercise is one of the easiest ways to maintain your mental, emotional, and physical health. However, exercise doesn't always have to be gym workouts, as those can be expensive and not everyone has access to a gym. It can be as simple as taking a walk around the block or getting some steps in with an exercise video. The benefits of exercise are plentiful. Weight loss is one of them. Exercise helps you get in better physical condition, and can increase your metabolism, which can help with weight loss. There are many ways to work out for weight loss, but the most effective way is to combine cardio and strength training. Cardio exercises include running, biking, or swimming. Strength training could include using weights or bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, etc. Regular exercise can help you prevent illnesses such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. Plus, it can also lead to greater happiness and well-being. It provides us with natural endorphins that make us feel happier and more energized. Exercise also helps to reduce stress levels and promote sleep, which is important for protecting against heart disease, diabetes, and memory impairment. Some examples are running, biking, swimming, yoga, weightlifting, or even just playing with your pet. All exercises are real without diet weight loss solutions, but it is important to find what works best for you. Stay hydrated. Water is life. It is an essential resource for all living creatures, and humans are no exception. Water benefits all living things with its natural cleansing properties and is the starting point for all foods. It keeps us stay hydrated and supply our bodies with the vitamins it needs to survive. Water has many benefits to offer us, especially when it comes to good health. It has even been found that the more water you drink, the healthier you will live. Drinking a glass of water before a meal can reduce appetite and make you feel fuller faster. This leads to eating less because you are not hungry anymore. It also helps your metabolic rate, which in turn helps your body burn more calories throughout the day. Other health benefits include, it helps metabolize fat, regulating blood pressure, flushing out toxins, maintaining healthy skin and hair, and keeping the bowels regular. Drinking plenty of water helps our organs function properly and improve memory. However, dehydration can cause you to feel dizzy, tired, and irritable. Lack of water can also lead to high blood pressure, weight gain, and kidney stones. That's why drinking at least 8 glasses of water every day is imperative to stay healthy. Focus more on veggies and fruits. When people are looking for ways to lose weight, they often turn to diet. But what many don't know is that the wrong type of diet could lead to weight gain. One way that seems to work well is to eat more fruits and veggies. This plan also has the benefit of being delicious, filling, and easy to follow. Fruits and vegetables can be vital to a healthy diet because they are full of the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our body needs to function properly. The variety of these foods is extensive, so there is always something around to please any palate. Eating a good mix of both fruits and vegetables every day is the best way to ensure weight loss without a diet plan. Consuming vegetables and fruits as your main source of sustenance is one of the reasons for permanent weight loss. Studies have shown that those who eat a volume of vegetables up to their body weight will sustain a healthier weight and proven reduction in fat storage over time. Vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, which makes them ideal for those trying to lose weight. You can eat them raw or cooked, or use them as a side dish along with more calorie-rich foods on your plate. Just like veggies, Fruits can be consumed to help with weight loss in several ways. With an array of nutrients and fiber, they provide the body with essential vitamins and minerals. In addition, fruits contain antioxidants that act as metabolism accelerators and aids in digestion. Eating a serving of fruit each day has been proven to promote weight loss by reducing calories consumed from other foods. Eating fruits may help lower the chances of chronic illnesses such as diabetes and high cholesterol, which are both linked to obesity. The best thing about fruit is that they can be eaten for breakfast and lunch, and they can also be made into healthy snacks, such as smoothies. Fruits also give people the opportunity to add nutritional value to their diet without consuming large quantities of heavy or refined foods. Berries, apples, grapefruits, oranges, and pineapples are all good examples of fruits that would serve as part of a weight loss plan. Plan your meal. In today's society, where people are always on the go, it can be difficult to make sure that you're eating as healthy as possible. To lose weight or maintain your current weight, you should plan out your meals ahead of time to avoid temptation. This will not only help you stay on track with your diet, but it will also give you a sense of control over your life. This is because it will make you accountable for what you are putting in your body, allowing you to meet your calorie needs for the day while still making sure that you are eating all of the necessary nutrients needed for a healthy lifestyle. Planning meals for weight loss is as simple as planning a normal meal. It requires an understanding of what to eat and how much, reading the labels on the foods, and counting calories. Without meal planning, there is a great chance that in case of a hurry, you may end up eating easy-to-cook unhealthy food. Skip fast foods. It's safe to say that people are living in a fast-paced world where convenience is the highest priority. Fast food chains have made it possible for people to eat hamburgers, fries, and tacos without cooking or leaving their cars. Fast food has become an integral part of our culture because it offers something for everyone. Whether you're in the mood for a $2 meal or $20 meal, there is something available for you. However, with all the convenience, fast foods host a wide list of health-related issues. Fast foods are known for being one of the most prevalent sources of obesity in the world. Fast foods are high in calories, fat, sugar, and salt and contain little to no nutritional value. The majority of all meals eaten outside the home are from fast food restaurants, and people who eat fast food too often could be jeopardizing their health. Individuals who eat fast food are at a greater risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, obesity, social anxiety disorder, depression, and more. Avoiding fast food saves us from long-term health issues along with leading to a healthy and happy life. Take more fiber and protein. Fiber and protein are essential for a healthy diet, and they can also be beneficial for metabolic functions. It is so important to incorporate fiber and protein into your diet to maintain a healthy weight. Fiber and protein provide energy and help you stay full, so you do not feel deprived when on a diet. Fiber and protein also provide sustained energy that helps promote weight loss. Both nutrients come from a variety of sources, which can help people meet their needs for each without going overboard on any one type of food. A diet high in fiber is important for a healthy lifestyle. This is because of the digestive benefits of fiber and the nutrients it provides. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is found in both plant and animal foods. It's a complex carbohydrate, meaning it can't be digested by the body, rather it passes our body remaining undigested. If you don't get enough fiber in your diet, your body may not work as well as it should. A diet high in fiber hosts a variety of health benefits. Fiber helps to maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, and enhances satiety. It also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining stable energy levels. Experts also recommend eating more fiber due to its lack of calories. Fiber is found in many foods such as beans, oatmeal, whole grain bread, quinoa, brown rice, cereals, beans, lentils, vegetables, and fruits. The best thing you can do to increase your fiber intake is to eat a variety of high-fiber foods throughout the day. Protein is another essential nutrient that should be consumed daily. Known for its muscle-building properties, protein can also provide many other health benefits such as repairing tissue and building bone density. Protein provides the building blocks for cells, tissue, and muscle. It helps to maintain the immune system, and it promotes healing. Additionally, protein provides energy to muscles. It's important to include a sufficient amount of protein in your diet to ensure your body is getting enough. Protein is also a key ingredient that acts as a metabolism accelerator. Some examples of protein-rich foods include eggs, beans, lentils, fish, poultry, and nuts. Nutrients like fiber and protein are vital to the physical and mental health of long-term care residents at all stages of life. In conclusion, the best way to keep weight off permanently is to create a lifestyle of healthy habits. If you are ready to commit, these 3 steps can help you keep weight off permanently. Commit to making healthy lifestyle changes for the long term. Focus on vital nutrients in your food selections. Develop an exercise program that is right for you. Along with this, you should take note that without diet weight loss is possible and you should be focusing on it. Shift your attention to metabolism accelerators such as fiber and protein-rich foods. It's important to remember that changing your lifestyle is a process and takes time. You will have good days and bad days, so just focus on the things you are doing right rather than what you have done wrong this week. Try not to be too hard on yourself. If you slip up, it's okay. Just get back on track as soon as possible. With dedication and persistence, it's possible for anyone to feel good in their skin again.